Today's video is different. No top 10 most expensive cars, no billionaire mansions, no private jets. Because honestly, none of that adds real value to your life. And I've been thinking about that for a while now. This community has been growing, and I kept asking myself, what can I actually give you that changes something real? Not just something cool to watch for 8 minutes and forget. So I spent weeks going deep on this, studying every major wealth story, every guy who went from ordinary to retired with $3 million, $5 million, $10 million in their account. And I found something interesting. It was never luck. It was never inheritance. It was always the same moves, 7 of them, every single time. So I put all of it together into something I'm calling the Final Wealth Window, 18 pages, 7 moves, everything these men did that most people never find out about until it's too late or never. Let me give you a few glimpses of what's inside. One of the moves is about taxes, and this one genuinely shocked me when I understood it properly. Most people just pay whatever taxes they're told to pay. But wealthy men legally keep tens of thousands more every single year, using moves that are completely above board, just never talked about openly. That's in there. Another one is the exact investing habit Warren Buffett actually recommended for his own family when he's gone. Not some complicated strategy, something anyone can start this week with whatever they have. That's in there too. There's a move about debt, and this one flips everything you think you know. Not all debt is bad. Some debt is literally making wealthy men richer right now, while most people are trying to pay off everything, knowing the difference is worth more than any salary increase. And there's a real estate move that doesn't acquire you to become a landlord or own 10 properties. One decision, that pays you every month for decades. 7 moves total, real numbers, real case studies, action steps you can take immediately, not someday. Now here's the thing about the price. I set it at $27 deliberately because I wanted every single person in this community to be able to get this. Not just the ones who can drop $200 on a course. But I'm going to be honest with you. That price is going up as more people get in. I'm not going to keep it this low forever. So if you're watching this early, that's your advantage right now. Link is in the description. It's called the Final Wealth Window. $27 instant download, yours to keep. You've been watching this channel for the lifestyle, the cars, the watches, the billionaire world. But the real gap between the men living that life and everyone else watching it, it's not luck. It's not connections. It's these moves made at the right time. The window's there. It just doesn't stay open forever. Links below. I'll see you in the next one.